Here's how to use voice chat on Roblox on your computer. First of all, go to roblox.com and sign into your account. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and tap on Settings. Now, to use your voice chat, you need to be 13 or older. So you need to verify your phone number, your age, and you might need to verify your age depending on your country. After verifying, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions, that is between security and notifications. Now, tap on Communication and find the voice chat, which is now displayed as voice chat usage, and turn this option on. Now go ahead and join a Roblox game that supports the voice chat, as not all games have it. And once in the game, click on the Roblox icon in the top left corner of your screen and choose Settings and choose your microphone as the input device and your speaker as the output device. Finally, click on the unmute button in the top left corner to start talking, and you should now be able to hear and speak to other players. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.